If you feel like you can't pay rent without a side hustle, good news. Starting a side hustle has never been easier. It's like hitting your sweet spot in a game of baseball or finding the perfect rhythm in a dance routine. It's about identifying where your passions and skills intersect and leveraging that sweet spot to create value for others. Imagine being a talented graphic designer with a passion for minimalist design. That's a niche. Or perhaps you're a skilled writer with a knack for creating engaging blog posts about personal finance. That's another niche. The magic happens when you harness these unique combinations of skills and passions to offer services that people need and value. Your niche is not just about what you're good at. It's also about what you enjoy and where you can provide the most value. It's where your unique skills, interests, and expertise intersect with the needs and values of potential clients. In the vast ocean of freelancing, specialization is your compass. It helps you navigate through the waves of competition and reach your destination, success. It makes you stand out from the crowd and positions you as an expert in your field. When you specialize, you're not just another freelancer. You're the go-to person for a specific service. You become the first name that pops up when clients think about a specific need. And that's a powerful position to be in. However, finding your niche is not a one-time task. It's an ongoing process. As you grow and evolve, your skills and passions may change. And that's okay. Your niche can evolve with you. Keep exploring, keep experimenting, keep refining. Ultimately, your niche is your unique selling point. It's what sets you apart in the crowded freelancing market. It's your ticket to attracting the right clients, commanding higher rates, and building a successful freelancing career. Remember, your niche is your unique selling point. It's what sets you apart in the crowded freelancing market. So take some time, do some soul searching, and find that sweet spot. Your journey to making $10,000 from home starts here. Now that you've found your niche, it's time to showcase it to the world through your freelancing profile. Think of this as your virtual storefront, a window for potential clients to peek into your professional world. Make it inviting, make it exciting, make it shine. Start with a professional photo. This isn't a selfie you quickly snap with your phone. Invest in a good quality image that presents you as approachable and trustworthy. Remember, first impressions are often lasting ones. Next, craft an engaging headline. This is your personal tagline, your value proposition in one succinct line. Make it catchy, make it relevant. This headline should tell potential clients what you do and why they should choose you over others. Then comes your well-written bio. This is where you tell your story, highlighting your skills, your experience, and a dash of your personality. Remember, clients aren't just buying your services, they're investing in you. So, make it personal. Make it relatable. But it's not just about telling, it's about showing, too. Showcase your work, your best pieces, the ones you're most proud of. If you're a writer, share links to your published articles. If you're a graphic designer, display your most creative designs. Let your work speak for itself. Don't forget to mention your skills and experiences. If you're fluent in 3 languages, say it. If you've worked with top brands, highlight it. If you've won awards, flaunt it. Remember, your profile should make clients want to work with you. Lastly, let your personality shine through. Show that you're not just a freelancing machine, but a human with passions, quirks, and a unique perspective. This human touch can often be the deciding factor for clients. A stellar profile is your storefront in the freelancing world. Make it shine and clients will come. Remember, you're not just selling services, you're selling an experience, a journey. And that journey starts with a winning profile. With your profile set up, it's time to win some jobs. And that starts with effective bidding and pitching. This is the stage where you roll up your sleeves and get into the thick of the freelancing world. Bidding and pitching are like the gateways into the freelancing projects. They are your first interaction with potential clients and therefore a vital opportunity to make a lasting impression. But how do you ensure your pitch stands out in a sea of proposals? The first step is thorough research. Yes, it can be time-consuming, but it's an investment that can pay off in a big way. Understand the job you're applying for, familiarize yourself with the client's needs, and align your skills and experience to those requirements. This way, you can tailor your proposal to the specific job, making it more appealing to the client. Now, let's talk about specificity. Avoid generic, one-size-fits-all proposals. They're easy to spot and often lack the personal touch that can set you apart from your competition. Instead, be specific. Highlight how your unique skills and experiences make you the best fit for the job. Show that you've taken the time to understand the client's needs and that you're genuinely interested in working on their project. Speaking of interest, it's important to show genuine enthusiasm in your pitch. Clients want to work with freelancers who are excited about their projects, not just there for the paycheck. Express your excitement about the project and explain why it resonates with you. This can make your proposal more authentic and engaging. But remember, pitching isn't just about selling your skills. It's also about building relationships. Show that you're not just a freelancer, but a partner who's invested in their project's success. This can build trust and increase your chances of landing the job. Remember, each job you bid on is a potential opportunity to showcase your skills and grow your freelancing business. So research thoroughly, tailor your proposals, be specific, show genuine interest, and build relationships. With these tactics, you're well on your way to mastering the art of bidding and pitching. Your path to earning $10,000 from home through freelancing starts here. Freelancing is a marathon, not a sprint. Consistency is key, and so are your relationships with clients. Now, you may wonder why consistency is so important. Well, the answer is simple. In the freelancing world, it's all about endurance and persistence. It's about showing up every day, applying to multiple jobs, and not being discouraged by rejection. Rejection can be tough, no doubt about it. It's easy to feel defeated when you're repeatedly passed over for jobs, but remember, every no you receive brings you one step closer to a yes. So don't let rejection deter you. Instead, use it as fuel to keep going, to keep applying, to keep striving. But consistency isn't just about applying for jobs. It's also about delivering quality work, on time, every time. It's about meeting deadlines and exceeding client expectations. It's about being reliable and professional. And that brings us to the next crucial aspect, client relationships. Building and nurturing strong relationships with your clients is the bedrock of successful freelancing. Your clients are not just sources of income. They are your partners, your collaborators. Treat them with respect, communicate openly and effectively, and strive to understand and meet their needs. Providing exceptional service goes a long way in fostering these relationships. Go the extra mile, add a personal touch, make your clients feel valued. Because when you exceed their expectations, they're more likely to hire you again, recommend you to others, and help you build a solid reputation in the freelancing community. Remember, your success as a freelancer isn't measured by the number of jobs you apply to, but by the quality of your work and the strength of your client relationships. So be consistent, provide exceptional service, and nurture your client relationships. In the world of freelancing, consistency and strong client relationships are your stepping stones to that $10,000 goal. And now for the bonus tip. In freelancing, learning never stops. Upscaling is your secret weapon. The world of freelancing is dynamic, constantly evolving with new tools, technologies, and trends. Staying updated with these changes isn't just an option, it's a necessity. Industry trends are like the wind in the sails of your freelancing ship, propelling you towards your destination faster and more efficiently. Online courses are your compass, guiding you through the vast ocean of knowledge. They can help you refine your existing skills and acquire new ones. Remember, every skill you add to your repertoire increases your value as a freelancer. Investing in yourself is like stocking up on provisions for your journey. This could mean investing in new software to boost your productivity, attending webinars to learn from industry experts, or even setting aside time each day for self-improvement. It's not an expense. It's an investment with guaranteed returns. Diversifying your skills is like having multiple sails on your ship. If the wind changes direction, you're not left stranded. You simply adjust your sails. For instance, a graphic designer who learns web development can take on a wider range of projects, thus expanding their earning potential. Remember, every step you take towards learning and upscaling is a step towards that $10,000 goal. With each new skill, each new trend you adapt to, you're not just improving, you're growing. Your journey to $10,000 from home through freelancing is a journey of continuous learning and upscaling. Embrace it. So, there you have it. A comprehensive guide to making $10,000 from home through freelancing. Remember, the journey starts with finding your niche, followed by crafting a stellar profile. Then master bidding and pitching while maintaining consistency. Don't forget to nurture client relationships and continually learn and upscale. Your freelancing journey starts today. Go out there and make that $10,000. You've got the skills, now make it happen.